Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful Anlin black OXXO Malibu slider door. Anlin has been doing the black capstock now for probably a few months, since the turn of the year. And it has gotten so much great buzz because, I mean, this is absolutely stunning. And this is a 12-foot wide by 8-foot tall door, but you can go 16 feet on these things. And the main things I wanted to talk about, like, people were like, well, you can just paint your vinyl. You can make it, look like this. And I've had videos, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them that I've made where I'm like saying, don't do it because it's gonna, it's not gonna stick well. It's gonna scratch off with the weather stripping because that's inherent with sliding window systems. But with this is something different. So what's great about this is everything that's on the inside is going to be capstocked black. The track, the vinyl itself, the weather stripping that you see that's on the face of this is black. So when you stand back and you look at this thing, you walk into the house, you think, wow, that's like a big, massive metal door, but it's not a metal door, it's vinyl. Great for efficiency. There is no thermally breaking this because it's already a high performer. It's an extremely high performer, so you don't have to deal with all that whenever you're buying an aluminum door. So you can get pretty massive on these things. Like I said, you can go 16 feet wide and you can go 8 feet tall. I don't know, too many people in my area that need something that's taller than that. 8 feet is really tall, but there are some places that require a little bit higher, and at that point you're no longer going to be dealing with a vinyl door. You're going to be dealing with something that's going to be probably steel or a dark aluminum anodized. We have black windows as well to go with this. So Anlin has windows and the doors all black on black, so you can do black on the outside, black on the inside. Now, I had a customer who was asking me, well, can I do white on the outside and then do the black on the inside, right? Maybe they have an HOA and everything requires white, but they want the black on the inside. They're like, well, can I just take a black window and then have Anlin paint it white? Well, the answer is yeah, you could, but when you're dealing with a black on black door or a window, it's gonna be basically double the price of whatever the window costs. If the window is $500, it's now $1,000 because of the vinyl, everything that goes into getting this thing made. It's just more expensive. There's a time and a place, I would think, but some people just want what they want and they're gonna do whatever they have to do to get what they want. Understood. It's not my job to fight that, it's just my job to educate and let them know, well, this is kind of what you're up against. We've already installed for like 3 or 4 customers these types of doors and the windows, and they come out killer. They come out really, really killer. These things slide really well. As you can see, the handles are black, everything, and you can just slide these guys, and now you have this great 6-foot opening right here because it's a 12-foot wide door, so you got a 6-foot opening, and they can do it in Malibu sliders, French doors, panoramic windows, okay? Coronado casements as well. So just a fantastic option. I'm so glad that Anlin has done this, and it's a long time coming, but this stuff is absolutely amazing, and everybody who's ever walked in here to see this, they are blown away. The other thing that I wanted to point out is you're always going to get these whenever you order an OXXO patio door. Is going to be these deadbolts that are up top here. The reason they add these is because they want to make sure that you can lock one of these out, and that's just what you're going to get. It's a safety feature. If you guys have any questions about these, you can go to the Anlin website and they have so much information on these. You can also reach out to us if you're in the area. We're happy to come out and take a look at your project and get you quoted up. All right, guys, hopefully this helps. You get a good look at this door. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.